Hello friends, welcome to Max Calligraphy. Today let's see how to make a simple birthday invitation. So for that I have taken a 300 GSM watercolor paper, Dom's pastel brush pens, and if you don't have these brush pens you can use flat brush and watercolor. Now let's draw some curves using these brush pens. You can select any light colors. And once you are done, you can start with a small invite like join us for a birthday party, then kids name, time and place. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. And it's done. Thank you.